Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about escape sequencing, and what we'll be focusing upon is \n and \t. Up over here, as you can see, this is the code that we are going to run. We are printing ABC, uppercase and lowercase. We are using 4 print instructions, and we are using \n in 2 and the \t in the next 2. So here, as you can see, this is the code that we are gonna execute. We are running on Google Colab. When you click on the execute button, so this is the code that you are gonna see in the output. We are printing uppercase ABC with \n, which is coming on to the next line, and we are using the last 2 statements with \t, which is horizontal spacing. So the last 2 lines, you can see ABC, uppercase and lowercase getting printed like this. And similarly, let's first understand what is print. Print is a built-in function that outputs the text on the screen. Similarly, we are using the parenthesis, which is opening. So it opens the argument list for the print, and we are printing a string inside it using the escape sequences A, B, C, whatever we are writing. This is basically a string because it is inside the quotation marks. The quotation marks can be single quotations, double quotations, triple quotations. We'll be covering up in the next video. And the escape sequence here we are using is \n, which is coming to the next line, and then we are closing the argument list using the closing parenthesis. So this is the similar instruction we are using with the lowercase, and similarly the third instruction that we are using the \t for horizontal spacing with the uppercase ABC, and similarly with the lowercase ABC. So these are the basically 2 escape sequences that we have covered.